usual, making parathas for suhoor or siri, and today is third day of Ramadan fasting, and today is Saturday, and today is February 21, I think. So I have extra rice here for biryani, no more chicken, and I have this chicken tapa. And now I'm making tea also, so I will put now milk here. Yan. Now close fasting. Now there is already siren and already azan. Ayan. Narinig nyo yung siren? So it means to say already closed fasting. Then again for iftari 6 around past 6 I think. It's cooking time again. So I saute already onions and then this garlics and ginger. Today is third day of Ramadan fasting. This for our dinner. And today is Saturday and today is February 21. Now we'll put now also this turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, and this is lentils, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cumin seeds. Then tomatoes and green chilies. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this chicken. I make half chicken. One chicken is 2 kilograms, so I make half. Because I have extra yesterday this mashed dal or masur beans. So that's why I make half this chicken. And tomorrow again another recipe. I will cook vegetable. Yan. This is already cooked chicken clay. Now we can put toppings, organic coriander leaves. Ayan. So in another container, I'm cooking also rice for me, and I will cook also chapati. After this rice, I will cook now pakoras. This is chana chat mixed with cubes of onions, then tomatoes, and there is also coriander leaves and boiled potatoes, cubes of boiled potatoes, and then I put masala, yung chat masala, and salt. If there is yogurt, then you can add also, but I don't have yogurt, so this is okay. Fruit chat is ready, and dates for open fasting, and sharbat with tokmalanga or chia seeds, and this is ready to fry now. Pakoras, potatoes pakoras, and chapatis also ready, and I have extra yesterday this mashed dal or masur beans. Rice is almost ready now next to cook is pakoras. So this is already chicken clay, toppings with coriander leaves. Frying now pakoras in another burner of chimney. Now we start now to cook pakoras. Tari and dinner is ready. This is chicken clay, white rice, and this is mashed dal or masor beans, chana chat, chapatis, fruit chat, sharbot or tukmalanga, seeds and dates and pakoras. Alhamdulillah for our foods for today, third day of Ramadan fasting. Alhamdulillah, done our iftari and dinner, but there is some extra of pakoras and also this chana chat. So we can eat this one tomorrow for suhoor, for morning. And what is extra? Langga, he can eat because he's not fasting, and also this pakora. And there is two chapatis extra. And Fahad, he buy jalebi, you see? Another color, white, and three sambosa. We eat already two. So one piece is left. And there is more extra for chicken clay or chicken curry. So we can eat this one for suhoor morning. And rice, I have too much rice because I eat only rice. I eat only one plate, a small plate. So, Alhamdulillah, done our iftari and dinner for third day of Ramadan fasting.